Okay, my name is Mark Jackson. I'm the Academic Lead for Design here at the University of Wales Newport, where my job is to oversee fashion design and graphic design and advertising design. And I'm part of the e-submission group here at the university, which is a JISC funded project to look at ways that we can streamline our assessment system and use new technologies in a more appropriate way. So as part of we moved to a new city campus in several weeks' time. As part of that move, we're going to move to electronic submission for all our written work. So our dissertations, our critical papers and our contextual essays will be submitted through our MLE system. Staff will find the files from that point and then assess it on screen and return feedback straight on screen, so there's no transfer of paper at all. Our bigger problem within the fashion department is the very fact of fashion. It's about garments that are tactile, they're physical objects, so the nature of the assessment means we have to be able to see the garment, feel the garment, and see how it moves, how it fits around the body. So I'm just going to show you, this is the start of our project. This is, our students started 6 weeks ago, so this is a first year project, 20 credits. Each student has one project, one garment, and some underpinning research work, which is a portfolio. And what that's created within 6 weeks is this body of work now. So, as we can see, every student produces a garment. And then that is then supported by a research portfolio and a technical portfolio. So we have 50 students in the first year. All students have submitted this time, so we're seeing 50 portfolios that we now have to look at and store, 50 technical folders that need to be stored, and more importantly 50 garments that were now on the racks. In another 12 weeks' time, our third years will submit for their final collections. This time it's a final collection of 6 garments. So every graduating third year will produce 6 garments, all of which need to be stored. And under part of the assessment criteria is that all of it has technical portfolios and supporting research portfolios, professional portfolios and contextual portfolios. So you can imagine the scale of the operation just through our assessment for both the staff and the students becomes really problematic in a new building in which we don't have space for assessment. So this takes up a classroom for several days as we get through all of the quantity of work, and we need to look at ways we can streamline this kind of operation. So over the next few weeks we're looking at ways we can give feedback on screen through cameras, through little movie files, through vodcasts and podcasts, as a way for students to access that information as quickly as possible, and equally as a way that we can capture this information to archive for our purposes.